IT. Now I'm here to teach you how to build a bus topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's get started! As you can see guys, the first thing that we need to do is to add a 6 pieces of PCs. We need to click the PC and add it to the screen one by one. After we add the 6 pieces of PC we need, next is click the 2960/24TT switch. Then, we need to add 3 pieces of switches for each pair of PC. That's the bone of the bus topology. And now guys, we need to connect these pieces together. But before that, as you can see guys, I'm aligning the each pieces and switches. After we align the PC and switches, let's proceed to cables. I want to use auto connect cables to make it easier. Just click the PC and connect it to each switches. Just repeat what I did on the first and second PC until to the last PC. And now guys, let's proceed to the next step. The next step is for the main cable. We need to connect the 3 pieces of switches together. And now guys, here are the one of the most important in this topic, to test our connection between PC to PC. And now, we need to click the fast internet and click the statistic IP. Let's put the IP address which is 192.168.1.10. Then click the outside text box. As you can see guys, the subnet mask will set automatically. Let's repeat the process we did on the first PC. But on the second PC, we need to change the last number of IP address, which is 192.168.1.11, because duplicate IP address on a network are not allowed. And now guys, let's test the connection. Click the PC and go to the desktop and click Command Prompt. In this case, we use the IP address of PC number 3, which is 192.168.1.12. After that, I press enter. Here we can see it giving the ping of the PC, which means that we have an unstable connection in PC number 3. And to the last part, let's test the connection between PC number 1 to PC number 2 by sending an email. If you see a green check mark, it means the connection is successful and stable. If you see a red and X, it's possible that one of the PC has an unstable connection or fault cable. As you can see guys, the result is successful. that's how you create a bus topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. I hope you learned something from my short tutorial on building a bus topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. And I believe guys, Cisco Packet Tracer will help us in the future to determine whether our connection are stable or unstable. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching and listening to my short tutorial video.